Non-perishable. None of those bottles moved, man.
Damn.
My walls. Speakers are gone.
This shit's messed up, man.
They probably can't get it.
Should last a while. Yeah.
My birthday is Friday and I'm gonna fucking miss it. What's today, 25th?
I don't know.
Wanna look at anything?
Say hi, Mom.
Hey, hi, Mom. This is what's going to be Homestead, or what's left of Homestead Air Force Base after Hurricane Andrew. We're pulling out right now. There's part of base housing. Electrical lines are down and roofs are blown off. Looks like hell.
Tower and the shopette.
Hey, check out the shopette.
What used to be the shopette.
There's the hangar right there. All the hangars here. We'll get a better look up here.
It's what's left of the sea compound.
It's all what's left to see compound. There sure hell ain't much.
There's
Big Yellow's torn apart.
the vertical shop.
There's 2885 out there.
2885.
There's a vertical shop right there at my shop.
Go down there and get my battery. Get it charged up.
General Low right there. Or is that McPeak?
That's McPeak right
That's
there.
McPeak.
Oh, there's another one.
Driving down the road, going to the dorm and take a shower. Just taping whatever I drive by. It's the gym, what used to be the gym. Down this road, we'll see. Yeah, it's clear. The base is pretty much gone. You can call it a base. There's a bus over there upside down.
103.5 WSEE.
Dorms over there. I just got pretty lucky. My room is untouched. But then there's others that lost everything. Farm squad. Found a telephone pole. See a C5 off in the distance with supplies. Heading towards the dorm here. That's it right there. That one. This truck was upside down. Flipped it over. This car. That's the front of the dorm. My room is over there behind the pit. That's what saved my room. Now there's no lights on the stuff. I put that stuff there. Fish is still here. The carpet's dry. It's clean. Everything I put it over here and the windows intact. I couldn't believe it. That right there is what saved me. This is right outside my window. The roof that I made. It's impressed by nursing up on this side. This is by the BX. That is the BX. All these buildings are supposed to be hurricane shelters. There's signs. I just can't get close enough to show you a picture. This is what used to be the chapel. That open air cathedral they've always wanted. Talk to the big man himself. Burger King. The rec center. was.
And then they're gone. Get her.
Is the red light on?
Yeah, the red light's on.
Truce? Between the three? Oh shit. He's got the video camera. I'm gonna sleep like this all night, guys. Just wanna let you know. Randy, I got the can, don't you dare. Don't you dare.
These are the people who defend our beautiful country.
Mine. That's it, you're done. I'm glad I wanted this. Truce? We have a full can. He only has probably half a can. You are covered. That's actually what's in your boot. I want. Oh shit. My rum and coke. I'm done with
You mean your Coke flavored rum?
wash my hair now. I would get Chris, but he would kill me.
That was cool.
Alright, I put my can down.
Now shake hands and make
Yeah,
up.
put that down. We'll shake hands and make up. Put it down. Put it on Chris's bed. Here. Oops.
So much for that truce.
It's enough. Enough.
Oh, God, not this fight.
Shit, you better get the focus lens on.
Oh, man. The macro
It's
lens.
been real. I'm out of here. Fucking going up to Michigan for a while. I gotta edit that out. Yeah, hi, Mom.
You gotta get the back of it.
That? Be a hanger. So did that. So did where'd it go? So did that.
Where'd it go?
There's the relief planes, them army dickheads. That's what you're seeing on the news, guys. Right there. This is the alert facility where the F-16s were. There's the tail of one. This is where the guys on base stayed through the storm.
$15 million plane.
It's more than that. It's like 25 million.
Oh my god.
$25 million piece of machinery, guys. There's another one right outside the door.
God damn it. Look at them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9.
Get this bitch landed. Here comes some more relief, hopefully. Landing at Homeless Air Force Base, where nobody's home. Is there any trucks around coming?
No, it's me.
Alright. I just want to be sitting in the road and get a truck come by. It's amazing something that big can fly.
No shit.
That's what I'm getting now. Here's the second F-16 that was in the hangar, or what's left of it.
The golf course?
Alright, that's what it looks like now. It's my stereo equipment as it is after all my stuff's been gone through. Hopefully nothing's missing. Telephone, speakers, CD player up there, tape deck, speakers, VCR, stereo. All my bags. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It's all my books, stuff like that, magazines, personal stuff. Another radio in there, fish tank equipment. Telephone. Plugs, light, fishing rod.
Thank you, sweetie.
That was a Homestead last time.
Oh man, that's a good one.
You just did that? What the fuck do you do?
This sucks, Mom!
I was playing. Oh, no way. Get out.
Nobody's more.
You should have seen that big motherfucker I took from Johnny Willard. Big old fucking mistake. This is, it says disaster preparedness on it. I was like, well, this is disaster. And I'm being
It's not on. Is it on?
I see a light, man.
What light?
Red light. Come on over here.
Come on over here.
Almost a frequency.
Hi, Dave.
Hello. Hey, West. Well. Hey, Central. This is
Okay, I'm sorry.
I know you're getting Wi-Fi.
Oh, got the camera going.
Oh man, here we go, right here, buddy.
No.
Watch this.
Hey, Dave.
Hi, Dave. Where's your boots at? Dave, where are you going? No.
Hanscom. Huh? Massachusetts. Going home. It's small. That's cruel, dude.
Hey, you're gonna like it there, Dave. A place where you don't gotta work.
Yeah, I know. Laid back.
Over there to go fest and stuff like that.
I talked to the shirt. He went like this. Fuck him. Another shaving cream fight.
I ain't showing up. Who asked you?
Well, let's put something. We got us out of here.
Say hi, Joe.
Hi, Joe.
My whole family does that. What's up, guys?
Well, nothing much. We're just sitting here ready to go. Base is too crowded. Somebody gonna get hurt.
No.
Name the Army or the 22nd.
Take a look at my brother.
They finally got the little shade.
He did it. It's all his fault.
Hey, this is the way to be, man. Right here. There's a beer right there, man. This is my tape, right? Mom, this Michael, this one's for you, man.
I'll blind you.
Mother.
Hey, Randy.
This ain't funny.
Yes, it is.
Fall off.
No, all the way through. Cut his cot last night.
Oh, shit.
He just bounced on just now, and now he just fell through. He bounced on him and drip bigger. Randy's gonna go back to sleep.
Yeah, but my feet are on the floor. It's not really.
Memories. Pet in his cocoon. Of course, Pat ain't ripped one yet. I know.
LMR radio somewhere? Yeah, your basement?
Yeah, it's in that room there. We go for our antenna?
Maybe. See what I got.
Dave getting dressed to go home.
Hi, Mom.
Sergeant O'Malley,
Yes, ma'am.
when I go to Tindall, do I have to show up in uniform to El Paso?
Who
McDill.
the fuck cares?
Yeah,
Am I asking you?
that's the point. So you're like, hey, man here from McDill. Would you check in?
Hey, what do you got? Controller here?
They'll tell you if they want you in uniform.
Yeah, I know. That's
More likely, it's gonna be like, just go out process and
Get the hell out.
Whippy, whippy, whippy.
Julie trying to avoid the camera.
all the way in. All right.
Maybe you ought to avoid everything.
This is Sergeant Kinzer.
What do you think? Channel 7 or something like this, huh? She cut my car!
The bitch! Wait, we gotta see the cut.
Here, see it? There you go. See, it's on the floor! Cut her throat.
This is Pat in the morning.
Pat in the morning.
I think that hurt.
Sounds like a TV show. This is Pat in the morning.
This is the radio station. You work for television.
Hey, buddy. Buddy.
Buddy!
Hey, buddy.
So what base did you pick?
Tyndall. Paul, you get 5.5 hours sleep at least. Thank you, Pop. Hi. It's not on. Oh, I got your buddy already. He threatened to kill me, so.
Gonna try and get any itinerary.
Yep, so I need to know.
What?
Hey, you got any cigarettes on you?
No, I'll go get some.
Act.
Which part out, man? Looking for you?
Say bye.
Bye.
Or hi, whatever you want to say.
I don't want to airport, baby.
Germany. See ya.
I'm going to Patrick.
Tyndall. They're going to Hanscom. Whoa.
I gotta go get some more sun, so I gotta stay in Florida some more. I'm glad for fun.
You guys get to say goodbye to Paul? Yeah. Good.
Have a good one.
Love life mode.
Love life.
All right.
I got you. I know you. I'm Dave.
Hey, sir.
Just a matter of hours now.
Look at me when we get to the airport. Hey, Liv. Oh, Jesus. Haha, I got you. Woo! Baby.
That's my aluminum. Everybody wave. Say bye.